Bitcoin is currently the most famous and successful distributed ledger technology application. Blockchain, as it is known, creates a permanent, shared transaction record that anyone can see by simply having access to the open network. The abbreviation DLT stands for Distributed Ledger Technology, which refers to the technology resources and protocols that enable simultaneous record access, validation, and updating in an immutable fashion across a network spread across various entities or locations. DLT, which is more generally called blockchain technology, was introduced by Bitcoin. Given its potential across industries and sectors, it is now a buzzword in technology. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to use this technology. To put it another way, distributed ledger technology, DLT, is all about the concept of a decentralized network as opposed to the conventional centralized mechanism, and it is expected to have far-reaching implications for industries and entities that have traditionally relied on a reliable third party. The term distributed ledger technology, or DLT, refers to a protocol that enables the safe operation of a decentralized digital database. Distributed networks do away with the requirement of having a central authority to act as a check and balance against manipulation. Using cryptography, DLT makes it possible to store any information in a way that is both secure and accurate. The same information can be accessed using cryptographic signatures and keys. As soon as the data is saved, it transforms into a permanent database that is subject to the regulations that the network has established. The concept of a distributed ledger is somewhat novel, and many businesses store their data in multiple locations. On the other hand, typically, every location is integrated into a connected, centralized system, which performs periodic updates. Because of this, the central database is more susceptible to cybercrime, making it more likely that there will be delays, as a central body will need to update each node in a remote location. Because all of the copies that are stored across the system need to be attacked simultaneously for the attack to be successful, a decentralized ledger structure makes it impossible to be the target of a cybercrime. The simultaneous, peer-to-peer, sharing and upgrading of records make the entire process much quicker, making it more efficient and less expensive. There is a significant opportunity for distributed ledger technology, DLT, to bring about a fundamental shift in the operations of governmental bodies, institutions, and businesses. It can help governments collect taxes, issue passports, record land registration and licenses, disburse social security benefits, and vote rules, among other administrative tasks. Technology is causing a stir in various industries, including the financial sector, the music and entertainment industry, the art world, supply chains for various commodities, and others. Many established businesses, including IBM and Microsoft, and numerous startups are experimenting with blockchain technology. Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, and Quorum are just a few examples of the most widely used protocols for distributed ledgers. The distributed ledger technology that underpins Bitcoin has also become the basis for several other cryptocurrency systems. The most well-known of these is Ripple, a network that provides financial services and currency exchange, Ripple Coin. Other cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Litecoin, and NEM. How does DLT in blockchain work? The blockchain protocol underpins Bitcoin is a distributed ledger that maintains a cryptographically secured list of records, called the blockchain. The blockchain keeps track of all transactions. This means that funds are no longer stored in any centralized location. The DLT concept and technology enable the creation of dispersed databases that are highly secure and yet accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The distributed nature of these databases is deeply integrated into the core of the blockchain protocol and the DLT concept. Until now, most cryptocurrency transactions have remained decentralized. The blockchain tracks this activity and creates a shared ledger that cannot be manipulated or controlled by any party. Different copies of this database are scattered across various locations, which makes it nearly impossible to compromise or manipulate it remotely. The use of cryptography ensures that the integrity of a distributed ledger is maintained. As soon as a transaction is applied to the blockchain and broadcast, it is recorded in all copies simultaneously. No single centralized node can modify or introduce changes to the blockchain without consensus from all other users on the network. This means that every time a new transaction is made, it will be validated by every copy that has been saved across the system. Conclusion: blockchain technology has revolutionized how entities across all disciplines and industries manage their business. As the blockchain concept becomes more widely accepted, it will significantly impact almost every aspect of our lives in the near future. The applications of DLT are as diverse as the industries in which it is used. Everything is possible, from cloud storage to banking and insurance, with this new technology that has introduced innovation to many fields previously out of reach for conventional approaches. DLT is being used to solve a variety of business problems and ensure that there are greater security, transparency, and accountability. The critical aspect of blockchain technology is the distributed nature and cryptography. These two elements make the blockchain a protocol that any centralized entity cannot control. This makes it an extremely secure platform for conducting transactions and saving data. This technology's immutability, duplication, accuracy, transparency, and security are the keys to its success in the future.